Hi, I'm Jennifer Sainer, and I am the owner of Proficient Air Conditioning Company. We provide residential and commercial air conditioning in the Palm Harbor and Tampa Bay area, and commercial refrigeration as well. And I'm here to talk about Room Full of Referrals and a testimonial of how come I took it so many times. The first time I took it, I really was interested in learning about my behavioral style, and I came to find that not everybody likes to have their ear chewed off. They don't want to hear every detail of my story. Not everybody likes hugs. You know, some people like a little bit more personal space. And why maybe I was losing some sales. And then I took it a second and third time just because it really intrigued me, and I wanted to dive deep into finding out why I needed in my business even more for not only my staff and making sure I'm rounding out my staff so I have all the behavioral personality styles in my business, but also to learn the behavioral styles of my customers. So when somebody will call, I am the first point of contact. So I'm listening for all those cues to figure out who is best to match that customer up. So if they're an engineer type that wants every detail and needs every I dotted and T crossed, I'm going to pair them up with one technician versus another. If I have somebody calls who tells me about their granny, their whole life story, they tend to need more nurturing, they're very chatty, I'm going to send them the technician that best fits that behavioral style as well. And then I'm finding that by doing that, we're getting lifelong customers, not just the one and done customers. That's important to us. Our motto is Proficient Air, we care. We really do care. And part of caring about your business is finding ways to become even better at what you do. And Room Full of Referrals has been an amazing tool in helping me and my company grow and succeed. So thank you, Room Full of Referrals.